Hey everybody, it's Mark Schultz here with DigitalAircraft, and again, we're doing another live broadcast today at the MRO Americas 2023 in Atlanta. And I wanted to bring to you somebody today that I find the contributions that they're making to the industry are really helping us to address some of the challenges that we have in the industry and what some potential solutions are. And so we're going to have a bit of a conversation about it. So today I'm going to bring to you Manoj. Manoj, could you tell everybody just who you are and what your title is and what you do?
Absolutely. Thanks, Mark, first of all, for having this. Enjoy this conversation every year.
Good, okay. Good.
So my name is Manoj Singh, and I manage Ramco's global business for aviation, aerospace, and defense.
Yeah, excellent. So when you say aviation, aerospace, and defense, I know that can be something that can be a little bit broader. Would you just give us just a little bit more explanation of really what Ramco is really doing?
So we are truly an aviation ERP, right? We are not a point solution company. Aviation ERP in the sense that we go all the way from any of the order management, quote management, actual work order management, followed by all the supply chain requirement that may be there for those work orders, and wrapping that up all with the finance and accounting. So all complete enchilada that is what we have to offer.
All right, good.